Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. The video you just watched, I didn't shoot it, I didn't edit it. I simply wrote one prompt and the AI created everything on its own. Welcome to the future of AI video generation. If you create content, if you're already making AI videos, but your character faces keep changing in every scene, or you're tired of using separate tools for scripts, images, storyboards, and editing, then today's video is going to be extremely useful for you because today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a complete Hollywood-style cinematic trailer using an AI tool. And honestly, the most interesting thing about this platform is that almost all major AI image and video models are available inside a single workspace. That means you no longer have to switch between multiple tools. Today we're exploring Pixo AI, a powerful all-in-one AI video generation platform. So let's get started. First, I'll open Google Chrome. Now here we'll search for Pixo Video. After opening the website, you'll see a clean cinematic landing page. In the center, there's a large heading that says, AI Video Agent from Script to Screen. And below that, it says, Chat to create scripts, storyboards, assets, and videos. Basically, Pixo AI is a complete AI filmmaking platform where a simple idea can be transformed into a full cinematic movie trailer. And one thing I personally found very useful is that image generation, video generation, storyboard planning, and the entire cinematic workflow can all be managed inside a single workspace. Now we'll simply click on the Start Creating button. Here, we'll log in. You can directly visit the website using the link provided in the description. After logging in, we enter the main dashboard. And honestly, the dashboard interface looks very clean and professional. In the center, there's a large input area where we can enter our idea or prompt. Here we get two important options, agent and model. The agent workflow automates the entire cinematic production pipeline. The agent basically works like an AI director. The next option is model mode. If you want to manually control AI generation, you can use model mode. In model mode, you can choose whether you want to generate images, videos, audio, or text. After that, you can select the AI model yourself. But Pixo's most powerful feature is the AI agent because it doesn't just generate videos. It helps manage the entire production workflow. I'm using the agent workflow here because it automates the complete cinematic production pipeline. The agent basically works like an AI director. It handles the entire production workflow and keeps everything organized. Now, to use the agent workflow, we need to provide a cinematic prompt. Here, I'm using a Hollywood-style movie trailer prompt so the AI can properly generate cinematic scenes, action atmosphere, and dramatic storytelling. I'm using the Cdance 2.0 director model here. It's very good for cinematic storytelling and smooth motion. After that, we select the aspect ratio. For YouTube cinematic videos, 16:9 works best. For resolution, I'll choose 720p for faster generation. Now we simply click on the Generate button. As soon as we click Generate, we enter the project workspace, and this is where the real magic begins. The first thing that opens automatically is the Script section. At the top, you'll see multiple tabs, Script Assets, Storyboard, and Timeline. And honestly, one of the most impressive things here is that the AI automatically generates a complete cinematic screenplay. For example, stormy ocean environments, military atmosphere, dark cinematic lighting, massive destroyers, and dramatic storytelling, and it doesn't stop there. On the right side, the AI automatically creates characters, generates locations, builds the visual style, and prepares the entire cinematic universe. For example, Commander Marcus Webb, enemy combatants, destroyer combat decks, and open ocean battle zones are generated automatically. That means we don't need to manually create assets separately. On the left side, the AI workflow chat continuously shows live updates like generating storyboard, creating assets, updating cinematic scenes, planning sequence. It basically works like a real AI production assistant running continuously in the background. And if you want to modify anything, you can directly give instructions to the AI. For example, add more explosions, make the atmosphere darker, add helicopter combat, and the AI automatically updates the screenplay and cinematic planning. Now let's move to the Assets section. Here as well, almost everything is generated automatically. Inside the Character section, the AI creates cinematic characters automatically. Inside Locations, Cinematic environments are prepared automatically. Inside objects, warships, Apache helicopters, combat props, missiles, and explosion elements are added automatically. And honestly, this workflow saves a huge amount of time, because normally all of this would need to be created manually. One of the most impressive things is that I didn't even need to create reference images manually. The AI automatically maintains project consistency. Same faces, same cinematic lighting, same atmosphere, and the same visual style across scenes. Now let's move to the storyboard section. Once the storyboard is generated, the AI automatically divides the screenplay into cinematic scenes. In our project, multiple cinematic shots were automatically generated. Each scene comes with visual descriptions, cinematic camera planning references, timing, and even audio suggestions. And honestly, the entire workflow feels very similar to a real Hollywood production pipeline. Now here's another major advantage: I didn't have to manually enter a workspace and generate every scene individually. The AI agent continuously prepares cinematic scenes automatically. The workspace basically becomes an optional refinement tool. So if you want to tweak a specific shot, adjust the atmosphere, or increase cinematic intensity, then you can use the workspace. But in the default workflow, the AI already produces very professional cinematic output. Now the AI automatically starts generating scenes. Stormy oceans, massive destroyers, combat helicopters, explosions, dramatic lighting, and cinematic camera movements. Everything is created automatically, and as soon as the scenes are ready, they are automatically added to the timeline section. The timeline basically acts as the final cinematic editing area. Here, the AI automatically arranges clips, maintains cinematic pacing, organizes transitions, and creates the final trailer flow, which makes the editing workflow extremely easy. And finally, the last step is exporting. At the top right corner, you'll find the export option. As soon as you click export, the AI starts rendering the complete cinematic trailer. Once rendering is complete, simply click download, and the final cinematic trailer will be saved in MP4 format. The output looks extremely cinematic and professional. The ocean atmosphere, storm lighting, explosions, and camera movements all deliver a proper Hollywood trailer vibe. Character consistency is also maintained very well because we used reference images. And honestly, the entire workflow from script generation to storyboard creation, video generation, and final exporting was managed very smoothly inside a single workspace. And honestly, if you want to start AI filmmaking or cinematic content creation, Pixo AI is definitely worth checking out, especially if you're tired of using multiple tools and want a complete all-in-one cinematic workflow. If you want to try Pixo AI, sign up using the link provided in the description. New users also get 200 free credits. And guys, that was the complete workflow for creating a Hollywood-style cinematic AI trailer using Pixo AI. Honestly, AI filmmaking has reached the next level now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.